Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you moving to a new home and love Notion? If yes, then I have a template that you can use to track your tasks like packing and selling your old items. You can find my template in the link in the description below. So let's take a look. First up, we have the calendar feature. With this feature, you can quickly jot down your upcoming tasks. This way, you get an overview of all your chores right when you open the template. You can also add reminders and duration to these tasks. Whether you're in the pre-moving, moving, or post-moving phase, this schedule section has got you covered. I have already added some common tasks like selling your old stuff and assembling furniture, but you can add your own. You also get a database where you can categorize items based on what you need to pack, buy, sell, or discard. On the right, you get a section to keep all your important contacts in one convenient table. Let's move to the packing checklist. I have created an extensive packing checklist which you can use while you pack and customize it as well. This is very useful to keep track of little details and chores that you might forget otherwise. At last, I have added a mood board that you can use for your decor inspiration, which can also be used as a shopping wish list. Thank you for listening, and I wish you a happy housewarming in advance. If you want to purchase this template, you will find the link on the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you next time. Bye!